Everyone, yay, we have rain, finally. So, this is the sage. This one right here. Then over there, now both of them was sage and then tomatoes. But I'm going to go ahead this week, later this week, and that little brown one right there, I am going to harvest just to see what it does. Alright, so this one right here, that is my stevia. That's a piece of grass. So, nothing much. Then right there was the, which I thought was a radish, but it was a Swiss chard, and it's supposed to be turnips. It flopped. So this brown one right here, that's the one that had the chocolate mint that Indiana Backyard Gardener sent me. So something else, it might have reseeded itself and it started to grow. So here is the basil and cilantro. So that's growing really good, and I can tell the difference. But I was like, oh, this is so exciting. So they're starting to grow. Now this one right here was supposed to be a tomato and some herbs, and also I have to look and see what's going on. But that one is dill and sunflowers, and I know and radishes. So that's the radishes and the dill. We're going to see about that. Then here is another. It's supposed to be fennel and sage. So I'm just going to give that one some time. That was my sugar snap peas. They were going so well, but because I just didn't get a chance to get out here and water so much, it just died. So, alright. Here are sunflowers that are growing, and that was my pumpkin. That's about as far as it got. This is some more herbs and a sunflower. I'll have to get the book out and I'll write it all down in the description and everything. So this middle one, everything kind of like died out, but it looks like it's growing again. I have no idea. But something was definitely in that last one. Something was digging, and I see it now. So that's kind of disappointing. But, and then this one right here, this other big one is where the potato is. So there is, you know, I mean, as far as digging stuff up for it only being one, I'm really happy with that. I guess it's time for some more red hot pepper flakes. But what I do have, it looks like a little thing of dill growing right there. But we shall see. So that is what's going on with the garden. I'm going to let it rain this week, and then I'm going to harvest at the end of the week. And I'll show y'all what I do. I'm trying to talk over the air conditioner. It just runs in the afternoon because it's so hot. So, thank y'all for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.